Let's look at our second example. We've got 9 triangles, and question number 1 says, what is the same about all the triangles? So, what I notice is that they all have a side of 5, 7, and 30 degrees. But what is different is I notice they're different sizes, first of all. Some are bigger than each other. And I notice that the order where the 30, the 5, and the 7 are is different. Okay. So, question number 2 is going to be a lot harder, but it's really important for you to help be able to tell. How many different triangles are there? So, the first thing you should always do is whatever angle that's given, you always want to look at the side that's across from it. So, and what I mean by across is like this 30 degrees is not touching that side of 7. This 30 is not touching the 5, this 30, that 30, and you always want to look across. That's the relationship. Okay. So now, right off the bat, if I look a little closer, well, I'm going to look at these big 1, 2, 3, kind of the biggest triangles that I have. So across from this 30 is a 5. Across from this 30 is a 5. And across from this 30 is a 7. So that means that those two green that I circled, those are the same. But this 30 had a 7 across from it, so it's going to get a different color. And look at this one. Across from that 30 is a 7. Okay? So that means that the two purple ones are the same. So let's look at what's left. So across from this 30 is blank. That 30 has a 5, that 30 has a 5, and this 30 across from it is a blank. So those are the same. And then for my last color, I'll go ahead and use blue. Across from that 30 is a 5. Across from that 30 is a 5. So I actually have 4 different triangles.